The purpose is really to display sustainable building techniques and construction techniques that can be used throughout the industry.
The project that we're working on is Catalina Estates. It's about 2,500 houses out in Mindarie and Clarkson. We're trying to build a sustainable master plan community. And this house that we're in at the moment, the Catalina Sustainable House, I guess is the pinnacle of our project in terms of demonstrating what you can do in sustainability. We want people to come and have a look at it. And we want people to come and walk through this house to see what you can do.
I want them to walk out the door and go, we can do this. Let's talk to our builder and ask him to do this.
This place has probably got 50 or 60 different design features. You won't put 50 or 60 in your own home, but pick up 4 or 5.
They can take many different ideas, whether they be aesthetic ideas, recycling ideas. The walls, they look good, but they perform well. Look, the key features of the home, the first thing is the orientation. You've got your orientation for winter, the sun coming in, orientation for summer, to minimise the sun. You've got the mass to stabilise the temperature by heating it up in winter, and then in summer you've got the mass, particularly the vertical mass, to offset temperature gains. You've got the glazing in the building, which is tied up with the sun coming in and the airflow going through. Then you've got the insulation to retain it, and that gives you the performance. The garden, that's probably my favourite. What I wanted to show people was they can have like 4 garden beds just pumping veggies out in a small space which is only 3 metres by 5 metres, because I want people to see that they don't have to have a bush block or something to have a veggie garden.
Building a house like this does cost slightly more in the upfront cost, but in the long term we believe it'll actually save you money because your power bills will be lower, your water bills will be lower, and if you do have to go back and try to retrofit some of this stuff, you'll pay twice as much.
One thing that made this project, and I would say probably the biggest thing from my point of view, is partnership. Catalina, Satellies, ourselves, Solar Dwellings and New Look Homes. We had no issues in communication. They trusted us, we trusted them, and the rest of the partnership were the sponsors. There's so many people came on board for sponsorship. So partnership is what made this project. You won't get a sense of it unless you come and see it. So you actually come in and feel what it's like. On a hot day, how cool it is. On a cold day, how warm it is. Just come and see it. You'll be amazed.